Hello, welcome again to the Student Success 101 series. Today's topic is about motivation, and one motivation technique in particular called predictive hindsight. We all kind of get in this space where we're not feeling motivated, right? You know, it happens. It happens to all of us. We just feel like we can't do anything. We might feel like down in the dumps, or we might not know where to start, or we might be avoiding something, right, that we don't want to do. It happens to us all, right? And it's problematic, though, when it affects our personal life and it affects our career or our chances of college success, right? So we have to try to motivate ourselves. Right? There's lots of strategies out there to help get us moving, right? And this is one of them, just one. Okay. So if you're finding yourself not motivated, right, ask yourself this, right? Where do you see yourself in a year? 5 years? 10 years? Right? So in other words, where do you see yourself in your future? Right? Get a picture of that. Now, chances are it's a place of success, right? Your future is a place of success where you're happy, you're content, right? You feel like you're happy in your life, right? You feel like you've been successful, right? So now ask yourself this question. How did you get there? How did you get from your past state, how did you get to that future state? Right? Hard work, commitment, dedication, right? So in other words, another way to think about this, are your current actions helping you meet those future goals? Is what you're doing right now helping you be that success that you want to be in the future? Okay. So remember, to motivate yourself, try asking yourself if your current actions are helping you meet your future goals. Are they? Look for more videos on motivation in this series and reach out to your supports. Take care, and remember, us here at LCCC really do care about your success. Have a good one.